Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2016 16 plate Peugeot 2008 PureTech Allure 1.2 litre petrol. Having been previously supplied by ourselves, the vehicle has covered just 25,000 miles from new and comes with a full service history, as well as features including cruise control and rear parking sensors. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.